Welcome to NFS Traveler, Happy New Year 2026. Celebrating the new year with family can be deeply joyful and meaningful when it blends together home decoration, shared cooking, and a well-planned outing, turning ordinary moments into lasting memories. Begin the celebration by transforming your home using everyday household items. String fairy lights along windows and door frames, reuse glass jars as candle holders or mini lanterns. Decorate walls with handmade paper garlands, balloons, and family photo collages, and involve children in crafting New Year banners or writing wishes for the coming year on colorful paper to hang around the house. Rearranging furniture slightly can create a cozy gathering space, while scented candles, flowers, or simple table centerpieces made from fruits or recycled decor can instantly elevate the festive mood. Cooking together is the heart of a family celebration, so plan a menu that includes everyone's favorite dishes along with one or two special recipes reserved for New Year's, such as traditional meals, desserts, or comfort foods that carry emotional value. Divide tasks so each family member contributes, whether it's chopping vegetables, stirring sauces, baking sweets, or setting the table, and turn the process into fun by playing music, sharing stories, or recalling highlights of the past year. You can also introduce a family signature dish that becomes a yearly tradition, or host a small home-style buffet where everyone serves each other, symbolizing care and togetherness. As the day progresses, arrange simple indoor activities like board games, storytelling sessions, family quizzes, or watching favorite movies to keep the atmosphere lively and inclusive for all ages. To add excitement and create fresh memories, plan an outing that suits your family's interests and budget, such as visiting a nearby park, beach, countryside spot, historical place, or even a short road trip. Pack homemade snacks, warm drinks, and a picnic mat. Take photos together, and enjoy relaxed conversations away from daily routines. If going far isn't possible, an evening walk, rooftop gathering, or dinner outside at a favorite local restaurant can still feel special when done together. As midnight approaches, return home for a countdown, light candles or sparklers safely, exchange small handwritten notes or symbolic gifts, and share hopes, prayers, or resolutions for the coming year, ending the celebration with gratitude, laughter, and a sense of unity. By combining thoughtful home decoration, collaborative cooking, and a shared outing, the new year becomes more than just a date change. It becomes a warm family experience filled with love, creativity, and togetherness that everyone will cherish long after the celebration ends. Thanks for watching this. I hope you will support my channel.